Everyone is buying this folding sofa bed that I have right now on Amazon, and I need to show it to you. Why is this convertible folding sofa flying off the shelves on Amazon? This comes in all sorts of different sizes, but it all works the same way. I think this thing is an amazing value for what you get for it, all the different ways you can use it. So we got these Velcro spots right here that we've got Velcro down for this position. And you don't necessarily need to be on a wall. Like you could just be out here and it's still pretty good. But if you have it next to a wall, it just makes it a little bit more support. So that's great. But you've got this great chair right here. You're just hanging out. You could even sit, Indian style if you want. You've also got, let's pull this out a little bit. Undo this, and we're gonna fold it down like that. And we'll slide these under, and this under. And now you can sit on it like that. So that's great. We've also got, take these out, fold this down. Now we've got a mattress vibe going on here. And here's the final position here. So I think this thing's amazing for what you can do with it. Just a great value, so many different ways of using it, and everyone's buying it. So straight up, I get it. You should get it too. Highly recommend.